if you produce 75 leads a month, even if you suck at everything else, you're probably going to survive. Because that one deal is going to pay for another 75 leads the next several months if you needed it to. We've been talking about the importance of marketing so much today, and we did some reverse engineering to get to $100,000 a month and what that looks like. And in most businesses, that can be done by 75 leads a month, as long as you can close, right? So you might get 75 leads in a month and you only close 1 or 2 deals, and you're like, this is bullshit. Josh said I make 100 grand if I did 75 leads. I only made 5 grand. Well, because you did 2 really small deals. So a couple things, this is taking into consideration. Number 1 is profit per deal of $20,000 or more, and then number 2 is that you can convert 1 in 15 leads. Okay, so you've got multiple goals there. I would say get to 75 leads a month is a great benchmark for any business owner, and then the other 2 goals are to have a goal to average $20,000 per month, and I would honestly set that mental goal at $25,000 per month. Give yourselves a little bit of buffer there, and then to convert 1 in 15 leads. Okay. Now, when I say convert 1 in 15 leads, that means a lead is they're interested in selling. I don't care if they're already listed with a realtor. I don't care if they want retail or more than retail. I don't care if they're not selling for a year. If they respond to your marketing and say, I'm interested, or I might be interested in the near future, or anything like that, it's a lead. Now, if they call you and say, how'd you get my number? Take me off your list, not a lead, right? But if they say anything about, hey, I'm just curious what my house is worth, that's a lead. They're willing to talk to you.
If you're getting something out of this, please hit that little like button down there. Then on the other side, click subscribe, and next to it, tap that little bell, and you're gonna get notifications every time we drop a new episode.
A lot of people have said this throughout the day, and we've been talking about it's a big subject. It's very fundamental. How many leads do I need to hit my goal? And then what this then comes to is marketing, right? How much marketing do I need to do? How much marketing to produce 75 leads? And again, I would say that 75 is a really good benchmark for anybody. Because if you produce 75 leads this month and you're brand new to the business, you don't know how to underwrite a property, you don't have any buyers, right? There's a good chance that you can find at least one deal in there that's a no-brainer deal that you can stick it on Craigslist and Zillow and email a couple realtors in the area or go to a local meeting and find somebody because it's such a great deal that you'll get it. So that's taking into consideration, out of 75 leads, there's probably 5 deals that exist in there, right? 3 or 4 of them are probably going to be pretty tough to get. You got to really know your game. You got to know how to educate them. You got to know how to negotiate. You got to know how to beat out the competition. But probably 1 out of every 5 deals is going to be easy-ish. Right? You got them at the right time, they're ready to sell, they're realistic on price, they've already done their homework, and they understand they could get a little more with the realtor, but they want to go your route, etc. And you should be able to, if you produce 75 leads a month, even if you suck at everything else, you're probably going to survive. Because that one deal is going to pay for another 75 leads the next several months if you needed it to. Okay? Now, as you get better at averaging more profit per deal, and closing a higher percentage of your leads, that same 75 leads turns into, now you're getting 2 deals a month off of that, and then 3 deals, and then all of a sudden 4 and 5, and you're crushing it, and it's not 75 leads anymore, it's 150 leads, and you've got a acquisitions person.